Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to resolve Xiaomi security keeps stopping issue on Android. If you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix this issue on Xiaomi with 5 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your Xiaomi phone. Rebooting your phone troubleshoots all the small niggles that you face. To do this, press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. Solution 2. Clear Xiaomi security app cache and data. It's possible that Xiaomi security app cache files have been corrupted and that's what is causing stopping issue. So, simply clear the cache of the app to fix it. For this, navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the Xiaomi security app. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 3. Disable Power Saving Mode. The activation of the energy saving mode on Xiaomi phone may be directly related to the occurrence app stopping problem. Therefore, if you have battery saver or power saver mode enabled on your device, then disable it. To do so, go to the notification panel. Then search for the battery saver icon and tap on it to make it disable. Solution 4. Update Xiaomi security app. Outdated app versions generally have compatibility issues, leading to Xiaomi security keeps stopping. Make sure to use the latest security app version to deal with such an error. In order to do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section find the Xiaomi Security and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the Xiaomi Security app to check for the problem. Solution 5. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Xiaomi security keeps stopping problem, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair Tool. Besides this issue, it can fix other Android system errors and issues easily. To try this software, click on the link given in the description box below. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving Xiaomi security keeps stopping issue. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.